Yes, I'm sharing my screen. Are you able to see my screen, children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. Let me share.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, Abhinav. I can hear you, Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children, right. Yeah, there is just a few points we just recollect, and then we have to start our comparing quantities. Children, yesterday already we discussed a few questions comparing quantities, a few bits also we discussed. Today we'll discuss some more bits. Yeah, before going to start, when you are getting profit, any article, any object, cost price is always less than selling price, you always get a profit, Nana. Profit is nothing but SP minus CP. Yeah, if you want to calculate a profit percentage, so what you supposed to find out? SP minus CP divided by
100.
CP into 100.
Yes. Yes, sorry, they were not into, it's 100. SP minus CP into
100 by
100.
no, it is always we are
by
calculating.
CP into 100, ma'am.
Very good, Lalitya. Very good. CP into 100. This is one more formula you're supposed to remember in the mind strongly, children. Why? Because profit or loss, we are always calculating on cost price. Profit or loss, we are always calculating on cost price only. The same way, you have to find out a loss. When you are getting loss, children, suppose you are buying an article more price and you are selling it a very less amount, so you will get always loss. So loss is nothing but how you have to find out
CP minus SP.
Very good. CP minus SP. Very good. Next, if you want to find out loss percent means how you're supposed to find, Nana? CP
Loss. Same, ma'am. Loss by CP into 100.
Very good. Loss by CP into 100. Very good. Loss by CP into 100. Always whatever loss or profit, we are always calculating on
CP.
CP. That is the point. Remember, children. When you are going to calculate discount, you are always calculated on market price. This is the 2 points you have to remember. Discounts always calculated on market price. Just a minute, children. Some student is waiting in the waiting room. Yes. Next, profit the same way, loss percentage is nothing but what is CP minus SP by
CP into 100.
CP into 100. And simple interest, we know that simple interest always calculated on PTR by
100.
PTR 100. These are the points you have to remember, children. Let me go with exercise sums.
Ma'am, can you once give the formulas you gave just now again?
Okay. Just a minute. Yes, first, loss or profit percent. Yes, Aditya, please tell the formulas one by one. Profit is nothing but?
Ma'am, SP minus CP.
Divided by? Yes. Profit percentage if you want.
100.
Yes, CP into 100. Or else, directly you can just step by step you're supposed to find out. Don't go running race. Step by step, because you want to write also, you can write. Next, profit percent means CSP minus CP divided
by
by
CP into
into 100. The same way, loss is nothing but,
CP minus SP.
very good. Loss percent, Nana.
Loss by CP into 100, ma'am.
Very good. This is nothing but we can write it as profit by CP into 100. The same way here also loss percent means CP minus SP by CP into 100. CP
Yes,
into
ma'am.
100. Don't forget children. Or else loss by CP into 100. Anything you can use children according to the conditions given on your things. So just a minute. Some students are joining little late so that I can. So, next one. Simple interest is nothing but PTR nature. Rather than that bit, so we are taking other formula as PTR.
Good evening,
Simple.
ma'am.
Very good evening, Dinesh. PTR divided by 100. PTR divided by 100. This is the formulas in your grade 7 you are learning. Based on this, we are going a little ahead. Compound interest annually, compound interest half yearly, compound interest quarterly. These are the extra things we are going to learn here. And not only that, we supposed to calculate a discount. Yeah, you are seeing many discounts in the shops too. What is the discount happening after, before discount or after discount? How much amount you are going to supposed to favor? Like that you're supposed to calculate. Student. Based on that, we have some questions on exercise 8.2. Yesterday we discussed about 8.1 qubits. Today we are going with the exercise 8.2. Yeah. In exercise 8.2, children, there is a question. First question, Bhavya, can you read the question number 1?
Yes, ma'am. A man got a 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is 1,54,000, find his original salary.
Very good. Increase salary. Just suppose you have to think first 100% his salary. Increase 10% means how much increase, Nana? It's 110%.
110%.
110% equal to how much it is given? 1,54,000.
1,54,000.
Yes, 54,000. You need to find his original salary. Original salary, what we are thinking, children?
110% x by 100 is 110
Very
x
good.
by 100.
Very good. Very good. Children, why? Because I'm not going to concentrate more on statements because slowly the questions are, they're going to objective part are given more. Children, please try to concentrate how much simple, easier and faster ways you supposed to be think and do the sums. Nowadays, most of the questions, subjective paper always going to step by step, it is reducing. Means you are going to write objective paper. They won't test your what are the statements, whether you are writing correct or not. How much accurately, how much faster you are giving the answer, they are going to think. That's all. So that you have to, this is the condition. You just, if any situations are given, means you just go with cross multiplication, children. 1,54,000 multiplied with 100 by 110. Simply cut 0, 0, 11 table, whether it will, yes, 11 ones are 11, 15, 11 means 4 is remainder, 44, 11 fours are 44, you cut this. How many zeros are there? That means zeros you can add here. And here one more 1 0 is there. Just you have to 14,000 with 10, it is 1,40,000. Initially the salary of the boy was 1,40,000. When it is increased, his salary was 1,54,000. Any doubt in this bit, Abhinav?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
exam is subjective exam or objective exam?
No, most of the CBSE schools, I just last 2 weeks back, I attended with a resource person from CBSE board. Nowadays 70% they are going with the objective part only. Only 30%, that is also school will test that 30% of subjective part. But in future, you're supposed to write most of the questions subjective form only.
Okay, ma'am. So tomorrow's test is objective, right?
Yes, tomorrow objective test.
Okay.
Every week our test is only objective test. Nana. If any specifically changes are there, I will intimate you.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. No worries. But only the time you have to see, children. Of course, test will be activated from morning 9 o'clock to evening 5. But suppose if I'm giving 30 questions, you have to try to write in 30 minutes time. Most of you can take more 45 minutes also, but more than 1 hour don't take, children. If one question, 1 minute, average you have to keep in your mind like that. Average time for each question is 1 minute.
1 minute.
But you are very learners, so that you can use your time for 2 minutes too. But slowly, gradually, you're supposed to make it as one mark. Wait means 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
One question, one minute. Right. Second question, Abhinav, can you read the second question? Manideep, are you there? Mana, textbook. You have textbook with you, Manideep?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Please download the part, NCERT part.
Ma'am, I have textbook, ma'am.
Ma'am, where we will get the book?
Yeah, I will share the link, Nana. Any ornament, its very cost is also 60 rupees only, Nana. NCERT textbooks available in all bookstores.
Ma'am, can I read the question? I have the textbook.
Lalit, please read, Lalit.
Ma'am, can you send me afterward?
Yes, I will. Manideep, I will share the link to you so that you can download in your desktop, and chapter wise you can keep with you, so that you can access from there too. Okay. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
On Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday?
Very good. Sunday, how many people went, Nana?
845.
845.
What happened about Monday?
Only
169.
169 people.
Maybe some corona disease, whatever the thing, they are going very less on Monday. So what is the difference between these two? How many people are reduced? Means you need to subtract.
670.
I'm subtract and we have to do by 845 into 1.
No,
Yes.
676.
How much, Lalit? The subtraction 845 minus 169?
670.
Ma'am, I got 676.
Very good. 636. So how much decreasing
Ma'am,
percentage?
676, ma'am.
76, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's 670.
Oh, sorry, Nana. It's 676. So what is the percentage decrease in people visiting? Decreasing percentage you need to
Ma'am,
find
you
out.
676 by divided by 845 into 100%, which is 80%.
Yes. Decrease percentage you always find. Decrease percentage you
Ma'am,
always
on
find.
CP, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Like a CP only. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
676
Decrease
by
in the-
total initial how
Ma'am,
many?
845 into 100.
845 into 100.
Very
the,
good. Come on, children,
decrease
please
in the-
simplify.
Ma'am,
Simplify quickly.
in this 80%.
Ma'am, it's 80.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Let me give the solution. Here 20 times. Here 1 sir. 6 times 30 and 9 times 45. 169 and 7. Yes, 4 times. Nana. 169 4 sir. So 4 into 20 is very good. 80%. You are correct. You are correct. Very good. Children, any difficulty in seeing
No,
the screen?
ma'am.
Because
No, ma'am. It's clear.
it's clear, right. Thank you, Nana. Because this device, because of power cut, it's due to heavy rain, there is a power cut. There is no power backup to on my laptop, children. Next one. Third question. Lalit, can you read the third question?
Yes, ma'am. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400 and sells them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article.
Very good. Number of articles. Next, Ayush, be ready. Ayush, number of articles, how many given number of
80, ma'am.
80.
Very good.
Cost
For
of
all 80 articles, how much amount he is supposed to
2,400.
2,400.
2,400.
amount paid by him is nothing but 2,400. So can I take this as a cost price, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Cost price. And he is supposed to sell it as a profit 16% and find the selling price of an article.
Ma'am, first we should find what is the cost of one article. It is
Okay.
2,400 divided by 80, which is
Okay.
30 rupees. After
Okay.
that, he said with profit of 16%.
Okay.
So profit by CP into 100, which is profit is equal to 16%. Ma'am, actually 16% is equal to profit by 30 into 30 divided by 100, because you told that 3% is equal to profit by CP into 100.
Okay, or else one simple thing you have to do,
So,
children.
ma'am,
That is also correct, Nana. That is also what you said. It is correct. Profit is given as how much it is given? Profit is given as 16%. So 16% of 2,400 you have to find out, children. What is 16% of 2,016? 2,400 by 100.
2,400 by 100.
16 into 24, how much, Nana?
16 into 24, ma'am.
You are going to the Brahmasar classes also. Multiplication should be learned very faster, children. Please. Did you attended Brahmasar class?
384, sir, ma'am. 384.
384. Very good.
384.
384. This is the profit. Initially, he is taking 2,400. So you just combine these two. It's nothing but 27,2784. 2784 for all 80 articles. But you need to find out only for one article. Selling price of one article. Selling price of one article.
Ma'am, it is 38.88 rupees.
Yes, 278 divide with 80, Nana. Please
Yes,
do.
ma'am.
Yeah, what is the amount? Please calculate.
30.80 rupees.
30.80 rupees. Wonderful. Please check, children. You also got the same answer. Please let me know. Do division, children. Don't use your calculators. Use your brains to calculate the part.
Yes, ma'am, I got 30.80.
Okay,
30
Manadeep, you got Manadeep.
34.80, ma'am.
34. Is it 34, children, or 30?
34.
34 point.
Okay, 34.80.
Yes.
Right now. Any doubt, Ayush? Ayush, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Nana, Divyesh? Divyesh, today I'm unable to see your. Okay, right. Divyesh. Do you have textbook with you, Divyesh?
Not really, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have.
Okay, just a minute. Ayush, I think Ayush, you have textbook with you, right? Ayush, did you have textbook with you or not?
Yes, ma'am, I have it.
Please read the next question forthwith. Page number, it is 125. Page number 125, fourth question. Yes, are you ready? Are you reading? Ayush, are you reading? I'm waiting for you. Ayush, are you there?
Ma'am, I don't think it's there.
Ayush is there in the meet, ma?
No, ma'am, he's got
Ma'am, no,
disconnected.
ma'am.
Okay, maybe network issue. Okay. Abhinav, please read the next question, Abhinav.
Ma'am, the fourth one,
Yes, yes, Abhinav.
the
Fifth
cost
question.
of an article
Hmm.
was 15,000 rupees.
Okay, cost price is given as how much, Nana?
15,000.
15,500
Rupees.
rupees, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next, what is given?
440 rupees were spent on its repairs.
Repairs also we need to calculate on CP, right, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we
repair-
should add it to the CP.
We have to add it. So 450 rupees. Now you have to final a CP you're supposed to find out. This is not actual CP. You're supposed to.
15,950.
Yeah, 15,950, right? 15,950 is your cost price. Now, once you know cost price, if it is sold at a profit, what is the profit percentage given, Nana?
15%.
And 15%.
15% is given profit.
15 into 950 by 100, right?
Very good. 15% of this much means 15 by 100 into
15,950.
1590. Very good. 15,950. Come on, children, please simplify that 3 times. This is 2 times. So 3 by 2, 1.5 into 1.
3,992.50.
0.5, right? Is it same answer you are getting, children? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma. Bhavya, please give the answer. Is it 1595 into 1.5 is nothing but 3392.5?
Not, ma'am, not 3.
I got 2392.5,
3,
ma'am.
ma'am. 2, 3 only.
Okay, 2. Is it 2, 3? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
2, 3?
2392.5.
Okay, right. Same thing. So once you know this, what we supposed to find out? Find the selling price of an article. Selling price, how you will get, children? Selling price is
CP minus
CP
S
plus
is equal to,
profit.
profit.
CP.
So we can substitute X and then find the value.
yes. You just cost. We know that you just combine those 15,950 added with 2,392.50. So that you just combine this, you will get whatever SP.
182.
18,342.50.
I got 13.
Very good. This is the way you're supposed to solve the selling price of an article. If profit percent is given, there are repairs and cost price. They won't give cost price directly, children. Just they are giving some words they are purchasing and they spent on repairs so and so amount. So you need to add to that cost price. Why? Because you are spending on that article means you have to add it and make it as a CP. So 1,500. So 15,950 it's a CP. So profit percent 15% is given. So 15% of 15,950 is nothing but 22,392.50. You just add it to original amount. How much amount? What is the CP?
Ma'am, I have a thing like we are calculating here price, right? So it should in price, like 5 or 50 is nothing but price. So we should always put like 50. We should not ignore the 0, right?
Yes, ma'am. Here, right here in this case, paisas, right? Right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhavya.
Ma'am, I'm getting a different answer, ma'am, for the...
What's your answer, Bhavya? Please tell your answer.
Ma'am, I got 13,557.5, ma'am.
Okay, 13 point.
Ma'am, 13,557.5.
Maybe you are subtracting, Nana. You're supposed to add those two amounts, Nana. Cost price plus you're supposed to add your profit.
Ma'am, but how should we add, ma'am? Because 15,950 minus X is equal to 23.
No, it's a profit. Given is a profit. Profit when you will get, Nana, cost price more than that only profit you are getting, right? If your selling price is more, then only you are getting profit, right, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to add those two things. Okay.
Ma'am, but profit is equal to CP minus SP. So, I mean SP minus CP.
You're right. SP minus CP only profit. So SP is how much here? SP only you're supposed to find out.
Ma'am, SP is equal to CP plus profit.
Yes, ma'am. SP
CP
Yes, ma'am.
plus profit. That is
Okay.
another, yes. Bhavya, you got the point. Any still you have, let me help you. Yeah, Bhavya, you see, cost price and SP, selling price. If cost price is less than SP means what happens here? Many messages we can stop it, everything. CP less than SP means what you supposed to calculate here? You need to calculate a profit. Yeah. Profit means how you are getting profit, whichever the more thing, SP minus CP. You want only SP. You want only SP means this CP, if you send this side, what happens? A profit plus?
CP.
Profit plus CP.
Okay. That's why we are adding, right, Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am. I understood.
Right. Next, who will read question number 5? Question number 5.
Can I read, ma'am?
Bhavya, please share that PDF format to Manideep also, because Manideep is not having a book with him. So please,
Yes,
share it so that he can also see the questions. Once read the questions means they get an idea.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you, ma.
Can I read the question?
Yes, ma. Yes, I think who is this, Nitya?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, Nitya, read her.
A VCR and TV were brought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction.
This is really wonderful question, children. You are giving really, I'll appreciate. Who will give answer without my help?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, you can try, children. Everyone can try, but I will tell the procedure. Lalit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Lalita Aditya, there is a TV, there is a VCR and TV were brought for rupees 8,000 each. Both are the same cost. Their cost price of both are is nothing but 8,000. The shopkeeper made a loss 4% on VCR and a profit 8% on TV. Find gain or loss percent on whole transaction. What we should do? What we should do? Why? What is given? What we should do? Anyone? This is open challenge for you.
Can I say? Ma'am,
Yes, you can.
First, we should find. First, we should find
I have to add the both because they both are same.
Ma'am, you got
okay. Then you will get only cost price of both the articles, right?
Ma'am, you got to find SP of both the VCR and the TV, and then you should add both SPs of the VCR and the TV, and you should add both CPs of the SPR and the TV. And if SP is more, then he got a profit. If CP is more, he got a loss. And then you add, by finding that you got a profit or loss, you got a
Here they're asking profit percentage or loss percentage on whole transaction.
Ma'am, on VCR, I think it's 320 loss, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It's 320 rupees.
Is it
a
on
the TV? It's 640 profit.
No. Basically, of course, how you will calculate, please let me know. One step by step, you have to let me know, because this is a little big question, big procedure is there. So, but if you understand, very simple, children, it is.
VCR is 4% of 8,000.
No, VCR and the TV. These are the TV. Cost price of VCR and cost price of TV. Both are same. What is that?
8,000.
Ma'am, can I say step by step?
So yes, ma. Next, this is cost price of both. Cost price of
16,000.
16,000.
Ma'am, SP of the TV. SP of the TV is nothing but 7,680. And
Why?
SP
Why?
ma'am, because SP is equal to, ma'am, actually here you want to find SP, right, ma'am? So
Very good. But shopkeeper is loss 4%, Nana. Loss means he will get less
yes,
amount.
Sorry. You got to find
Yes,
loss.
ma'am. 8,000 minus 320.
Ma'am,
he will get less amount, right?
Ma'am, can I just and suppose you consider,
yes, try it. No worries, children. Try it.
Suppose you consider CP is equal to 100 rupees. His
Okay.
loss is 4%, which is minus 4 rupees.
Very
so it
good.
is 96 rupees.
Okay.
And the CP of each is 8,000 rupees.
Okay.
So for finding SP here, you should do 96 by 100 into 8,000.
Very good.
And if you do cancellations and all, you get 7,680.
Okay.
And now cost price of the TV is also 8,000 because he wrote for each.
Exactly.
And now if you want to find the cost, if you want to find SP of the TV, here he got a profit of 8%. So here if you take CP again as 100 rupees, to find SP is nothing but 108 because plus 8 because you got a profit.
Okay.
Now again same 108 divided by 100 into 8,000.
Right.
Now again if you do all the calculations, you get 8,640.
Okay.
Now to find SP of both together, you got to add, which is nothing but 7,680 plus 8,640, which is equal to 16,320.
Very good. No need, Nicha, that much procedure also. Don't worry. But you are understand wonderfully. You are step by step, like your subjective paper. You are wonderfully prepared. Very good. Actually, that's true. What you are doing also correct. But very simple task, Nicha. 4% loss means it's a 320 rupees, Nana. 8,000 lo 320 subtract. You have to subtract. You will get how much you will get, Nana?
7,680.
Same way, another what happened for one is loss. Another one is he's getting as a profit. What profit he is getting? 8%. So 8% means 8,000, 8% you have to calculate. Just a simple task you will get, children. So here
640.
640.
8,640.
8,000 SP of VCR. This is VCR. Actually, VCR he is a loss.
Yes, ma'am. I was saying VCR, ma'am.
SP of TV is 8,000.
640, ma'am.
Now you just combine these two, Nana.
You get 16,320, which is more 320 because
16,300. Very good. Now you have to compare these two things. How much is 320?
320 rupees is more.
320 on 16,000.
16,000. So,
ma'am, actually, ma'am, I have a doubt. Like, both CPs are same. So if they earn 4% and 8%, we can directly do like 8 minus 4 and 4% profit.
But in this case, CP has given. You can go with that also. But some cases SP is given, Nana. That time we supposed to not go. There is a little trick.
Yes, ma'am. But now that like two CPs came.
This case we can. This case directly also. What is the difference here? No, here 16 ones are 2% is loss. Loss percentage is 2%. Yes, correct. But Lalit, if you directly subtract, means what happens, Lalit? It won't come, right? 4 minus 8. 8 minus 4 is 4% only you will get, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But we can't do such a way, Nana. This is an actual procedure.
Ma'am, so finally the shopkeeper got loss or profit?
He get loss or profit. No, more, yeah, SP is more means profit.
Ma'am, but here you wrote 2% loss.
Sorry. It's a profit. Sorry, it's profit, right?
Yes, profit.
Right, it's profit.
Ma'am, but 320, I think it's...
Gain percentage 2%. Nana. Any doubt, children, here how we supposed to do?
Ma'am, is it 20%?
No, 2% ma, not 20.
Oh, okay,
160.
yeah.
Once
Yes, yes.
320 by 160 you will
Yes,
get left over. It's
yes,
only
ma'am,
2% gain percent.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
Lalit, any doubt? Nitya, Manideep?
No,
Manideep?
ma'am, no doubt,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I have seen.
Manideep? Divyesh? Ayush? Yeah, please let me know, children. If you have any doubts, please let me know.
No, ma'am.
Based on, okay. Next. Next, sixth bit you see, during a sale, a shop offered a discount 10% on marked prices of all the items. What would a customer have to pay? A pair of jeans marked on 1450. A pair of jeans marked is jeans entanana?
850 rupees each.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Four,
ma'am,
No, ma'am. It's 1,450, ma'am.
two shirts.
Mama shirts.
Ma'am,
Mama
850, ma'am.
shirts.
no,
Shirts
ma'am.
is
850 each.
Ma'am,
850.
1,800.
Okay, 850 each. Okay. But what is he, how much he buyed during a sale shop offered discount 10%? All items, 10% is discount given. Okay. Then what would be customer has to pay a pair of jeans marked?
Ma'am,
Pair of,
total, if you want to find out total mark price, then you have to do like 1,450 plus 2 into 850 because he told two pairs of two shirts mark price.
so that it is become two shirts means
3,000 3,150 is the answer.
Okay.
Calculate.
Okay.
1,450 plus 1,700.
Very good.
Add them both, 3,150.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's 3,150.
Right, children. Why? Because here there is given as a two shirts, right? The two shirts means 850 plus 850. 850 plus 850 is nothing
so
but
2 into 2.
Oh,
yeah,
17,000.
1,700. 1,700.
700. Initial jeans. What is the jeans?
1,450.
So total together
Together 3,150.
3,150, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Right. So here 10% discount. 10% discount means
You got to do 10 by
directly,
10 by
Nana.
100.
Anything happening 10% discount means this is only your 10%.
Yes, ma'am. You should just deduct 1 0 if there is a 0.
That's all, right? 10%, 20%, 30%. If it is given, our calculation is more simple than suppose you have 5 and 15 like that also given, it is more simple. Coming to extra like 2 multiples like 6, that is also better. Now, which is very difficult one, suppose given as 9%, it's an odd
5.
number of
Yes.
5. Odd also 5 is easy, but rather than 5, we have some 3% or 9%, such a number 7, you have little calculation. But in this case, 315 rupees, 10% discount. How much amount you supposed to pay for shopkeeper?
Ma'am, you got to pay.
Ma'am, 2,835.
Just you have to subtract, that's all, Nana. 3150 minus
Ma'am,
315.
2,835.
Right. This is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. It's 30 minus, it's 2,835 rupees you have to pay to the, yes.
Why should we subtract again, ma'am?
Nana, Bhavya, discount is given means discount market price. This one is market price, Nana. Market price. How much you should pay for shopkeeper? After discount only you are giving to shopkeeper, right, ma?
Ma'am, if to find the SP, like to find the sale, to find the price, he has to pay the customer. You can directly do like 90% of 3,100.
Directly also we can. Once you are going means directly 100% equal to 3150. 90% equal to how much? Like that also you can.
Yes, ma'am. But then there
Right.
we need more calculation, which is little
Yes.
complicated.
Anything, children, once you understand the concept, what is the way you're supposed to do, once you're getting in your mind, you can go with little calculation part. That's why your Vedic math classes are happening nowadays. You are going to Vedic math classes also, right, children? You are learning some faster calculations there. That will help in doing math sums. Please concentrate that part also. Don't skip any math, Vedic math classes also, children. Please regularly attend. Some important tips he will give so that you can use your calculations here. So you make your sums little faster. Then you should become first in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next question is. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
could you go to the previous page?
Oh, let me. I just erase. Just a minute. I'll give.
I think you can press the arrow. I guess I'm not sure.
Okay. Undo.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know, ma'am. Yeah, I guess.
I don't know where it will be
Ma'am,
saved.
here, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
there only.
Ma'am, 90% of 3,150 is also not that long, ma'am. It's almost the same.
Ma'am,
Bhavya, this one?
yes, ma'am. If you go like that, it will be.
This is a very long back, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am. It's fine, ma'am. I can.
I'll next time onwards. I'll try to keep.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Nana, Lalit, I can.
Ma'am, because I think I have some internet problem.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You can continue.
Right, ma'am. Right. Children, if you have any doubt, please. I'm unable to see today my screen part because I just sharing a small screen. What you are giving messages also, I'm unable to read. Please respond with me only.
Yes.
During, seventh question, a milkman sold 2 buffaloes, rupees 20,000 each. Yeah, what is the selling price is given, Nana? There are 2 buffaloes. 2 buffaloes means how much, Nana? Each one is
40,000. 40,000 together.
Selling price is 40,000 each given.
Yes.
Each is for each you can write it as a 20,000 also for your supposed convenience. Now in this case, what is given other? He made gain 5% on one buffalo and loss 10% on another buffalo. Whether you need to find the overall gain or loss, find the CP of each.
Ma'am, this is
What
also
you
like the TV and VCR amount.
No. In this previous case, they are giving directly cost price, but in this case, selling price. You have to be little careful in this bit. Who will give answer?
Ma'am,
Can I try?
Yes, you can try, Bhavya. Previous case, you are using directly cost price is given so that we can. This is selling price. Yes, Nana, please try it. Manideep, are you there? Abhinav? One is gain 5%, Nana. One buffalo, if he buy means one buffalo, on one buffalo he is gaining 5%, and another buffalo he is loss at 10%. Find a CP of each.
Ma'am, first you should like.
Nana, you can take here. Gain means 105%, right, Nana?
Yes, ma'am. Here as last.
105% equal to 20,000. You have to find out 100%. That is will come one buffalo. Okay, 100% you can find. Now loss is happening means 90% he is getting as 20,000. You need to find 100%, Nana. So that he is getting.
Here to find the CP means cost of one buffalo, you got to do 100 by 105 into 20,000.
Yes, whatever the thing, you just cross multiplication and make it simple, Nana. Make it simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it cross multiplication. Yeah, do cross multiplication. Make it simple. Don't go many steps, children.
Ma'am, I did like that, ma'am, and I got 19.
But that is also correct, Bhavya. That is also correct, teacher.
Ma'am, I got 19,047.62.
Ma, 19,000?
47.62.
19,047 means 047.62. This is one buffalo cost you are getting. Another buffalo? Another buffalo?
Another buffalo, ma'am, I have to do. Can you give us a second?
Oh, yeah.
Ma'am, another buffalo cost is 22,222.22.
22,000?
222.22. All two. 5 2s are there, ma'am.
Okay, point
And
2.
5 2s, 0.22.
Okay. Children, you got the same answer. People, you also got the same answer. Please let me know. Now you have to calculate what is the question.
Ma'am, you got to calculate the
No need. Directly they're asking find the CP of each. That's all.
Yes, ma'am. Overall, find his overall gain or loss.
That is also, yeah. Find overall gain or loss means you have to see that selling price and cost price together. Which is more, which is less, you have to see that.
Ma'am, cost price is 41,296.84.
But selling price only 40,000.
Yeah,
maybe
40,000.
loss only, man. Loss only he will get.
Yes, ma'am. Loss.
That loss amount also you need to calculate. Nana calculations only important. Please do in the book. Don't use your. Yeah, please do.
Loss is 1,269.84.
Right, right, children. If you got 1,269.84, it is correct. Please do the calculation part. I'm not doing calculations here. Just I'm giving the statements and clues for you, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you try today 8th bit, 9th bit, and 10th, 11th, 4 bits as a homework?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
I'll just, what are the given conditions? Let me read so that the price of TV is 13,000. Sale tax was charged at the rate 12%.
Ma'am, only 8th, 9th, 10th are there, no 11th and all.
11th also there, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4 bits are there.
In my book only 10 are given.
What is the last question for you?
I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5.
Okay. Then after one question is there, an article was purchased 1239, including GST of 18%. Nowadays GST is added before VAT is there.
Yes,
now
ma'am. Tax.
So GST one question is added. I will write on the screen so that you can access that also.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, I'll note it down.
Right. Yes, children, do you have exams in your
yes,
periodical?
Ma'am, I have half-yearly exams on September 22.
Yeah, please, if you have portions with you, please share with according to that we can go ahead.
Yes,
ma'am, even I have half-yearly exams, ma'am.
When is half-yearly exam? Next month, I think so, right, Nana?
Yes, ma'am, September 9th, ma'am. But I think max is like, I don't know, but it's main exam start from September 16th, ma'am.
Okay. Lalit, please share your portions so that we can step by step, even you can, I will guide you so that you can practice that. We can complete all chapters together.
Ma'am, 1 second, I'll just say you the portion.
Okay, please. Personally, you just send a message, children, because all the grade 7th, they are writing their exams right now. They are sharing each and every question papers also. We are discussing every day. Most of the students scored full marks, Nana. I feel very happy. Other day, 7th students told, ma'am, I got a 25 out of 25 like that.
Ma'am, I have overall
Abhinav, you...
Ma'am, I'm Nitya and I have 7 chapters, ma'am.
What are the chapters, Nitya?
Linear equations in one variable.
Okay.
Understanding quadrilaters.
Okay.
Practical geometry.
Practical geometry.
Data handling.
Data handling.
Squares and square roots.
Okay.
Cube and cube roots.
Right.
Comparing quantity.
Okay. Okay, I think we completed in tuition also most of the things. Only practical geometry is not completed, Nana. Practical geometry, I thought maybe schools will be reopened so that I can help the students. So I will teach little later. I thought like that, but unfortunately, any idea about the
Ma'am,
schools
if there
reopening
are
children?
any, if there are
Ma'am,
any,
for us, like
if there
rational
are,
numbers, square roots,
Okay, rational numbers, square roots, cube
square
roots.
roots, ma'am, cube roots.
Okay.
Ma'am, I will check and see, ma'am.
ma'am,
Okay, okay.
I will send the whole modified. If there's anything modified by next day, I'll
Yes.
send you in your personal WhatsApp.
Yes, please share it, children, so that we can guide. I can guide you, so you can practice our question banks also there. Did they give access to 8th B also, the question bank, children?
No, ma'am, but Rahul sir can me invite to 8th day. So I've joined 8th day Google Classroom.
Okay, so your remaining people also please take the support of Rahul sir, and you can access the question bank from there too, children. Please do that. Bhavya, are you practicing every day the question bank part?
Yes, ma'am.
No need to write all in detail, children. By seeing it since question, you just take a rough paper and solve it within 1 or 2 lines. Okay, this is the way I can do this.
Actually, for us in our school, they'll tell full detailed, ma'am. So I am habituated to do like that.
Yeah, of course you can try with. I'm telling about nature. You are thinking the time constraint also. If you take constraint in your mind, so that you can take at least at a glance. So this is the beta. So discount is given. So what you supposed to find out? This is the question mark. How this is the way you can just put in the store in your mind whether I can do or not. If any difficulties, let me know. I can hear.
Ma'am, actually in our school exam also they give subjective exams. So
all subjective paper only. Nicha,
yes,
is it all subjective?
Yes, ma'am. Everything is subjective in our school.
Really wonderful, Nicha. I'll appreciate your school. How many marks they are keeping for the subjective paper?
Ma'am, for periodic you have 40 marks, half yearly 80 marks, and for monthly test you have 20 to 25 marks.
Everything is subjective or objective?
Ma'am, everything is subjective.
Wonderful. Hats off, my dear. What's your school name?
Ma'am, Kennedy High, the global school.
Wonderful. This is Kennedy. There are many branches. Which branch you are, ma?
Ma'am, Bachupalli branch, Hyderabad.
Right. Really hats off. The teachers are doing great work there.
And in our school, they're like only 10 objectives and 70 marks subjective.
Subjective. Okay.
Ma'am, for us only maybe in the question paper they'll give one or two MCQs and 1 or 2 blanks. That too very rarely.
Okay. But we completely approached it through objective paper, Nana. Nowadays, actually previous there is a privacy with very little, 10 plus 15 is there. Now complete 15 plus 10 happens, and again it's a 25 full objectives are given, but time constraints also given for the students. Because our strength is more than 3,000 plus, so we are unable to correct those many papers, children. That's why we maybe, I don't know what is the reason, we are continuously going with the objective only. Right, children. Shall I go with what's the time right now, children?
Ma'am, it's currently 8:10. 8:10.
Yes,
Okay. I'll just discuss how you're supposed to solve the rest of the bits, then I can leave, children.
Yes.
The price of TV is given, the cost price is given 13,000. Cost price is given as 13,000. So here the sale tax charge to it rate of 12%. And the sale tax means always it is also added for you, right, children? Tax is always, yeah. For cost, not only this we are not going to take as cost price. Even sale tax also you have to, sale tax you have to include for this. So that it's nothing but what is the percentage? 12%.
Yes,
so 112% is nothing but.
Ma'am, I did it like tax is equal to 12 by 100 into 13,000. 1,560 like that.
Right, Nana. No. You have to find out 12% first on 13,000. You just add to 13,000 plus 12%. So that yeah. Children, any information about your school reopening, students should come to physical classes like that?
Ma'am, actually in our school from 9th to 12th they're opening. They're not opening for 8th.
9th to 12th grades they're opening?
Yes, ma'am. That is the information we got by now. Maybe they'll
Okay.
give it for 8th also. Don't know.
Okay, because I'm little tense, children. These many days we are in home. We are working from home. They're calling to school means I'm getting the. Yesterday I went, 2 days I went, I'm getting a literally headache in that school, children. I don't know what is the reason. Maybe everything is cleaned, everything is sanitized. Still, I don't know what is happening for me. I'm getting literally scared. I have taken 2 doses. But many teachers I saw, I'm getting, they're suffering, some are suffering, they're coming to school and what they will make it to us, I don't know. I'm getting scared to go to school only. Which one you like to go, children, online or offline? Actually, you say heartfully, children, please.
In
offline, ma'am.
Offline, Bhavya, offline.
It's offline only, ma'am. In offline, you have more interaction, more like
Okay,
and
okay.
all that. In online, you don't have so much interaction and.
Ma'am, even me, ma'am, offline, but because of this pandemic.
Okay.
Ma'am, but in this current pandemic, I say it's better we go online only.
Of course. This is you, me. But if it is there, which one you prefer? Anyway, pandemic is not. It is there in the air still. So offline or online?
Offline, ma'am. Almost all children offline only. No one likes online.
Yeah. Yes. My daughter is asking to go. I want to go, ma. Please allow me to go to school. You just
Yes,
put
ma'am,
concern. Yes.
That's the point, ma'am. Many parents are not allowing the children. They're saying like, we won't send, even though if you open, so don't open. Like again,
Children, do you know senior classes are almost all are senior teachers, Nana. They are more than 55 years. Most of the teachers have suffered with COVID and they are literally worrying. They are unable to walk also. I saw yesterday the real situation. If of course they are taking the doses also, I'm not sure if 2 doses again it won't come. They are unable to.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am, like in the 7th question. Ma'am,
Yes,
he gained 5% on like 20,000 for the buffaloes, ma'am. So it's 105 x by 100 is equal to 20,000, right?
Actually, we are not taking X here. We are taking 100 only.
Ma'am, like X is the cost price, ma'am. So
like that also let him find the unknown thing he is taking as X. Let him. That is also fine. But what is your Aditya? What is your question?
Ma'am, like 105% of X is equal to 20,000. Is that right? Because he made a gain.
Gain means it is getting more amount, right? He is getting more amount. So 105% equal to 20,000. You need to find only.
No, I think it's 95%, not 105.
No, correct, Nana. What you are said, gain is 95%, means 105% equal to 20,000. So you need to find only 100%. Why? Because he is gaining means he is getting more amount, right? So cost price you will get more there than selling price.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, gain, he is gaining. No, just before I said the statement, what is the statement given for you? Milkman Buffalo selling price is given 20,000. So selling price of both is 40,000. Cost price, to find out cost price, there is a 5% gain and
5% gain, ma'am, on one buffalo.
5% gain on one buffalo means?
105% of that is equal to 20,000.
Yes. So 105% equal to 20,000. You need to find 100%.
Yes, ma'am.
No, but it is, we are unable to equate it to 20,000, right? Those are selling prices, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you are unable to equate those two. You are unable to equate to 20,000, right? So after getting only 105% only 20,000, you need to find 100%, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then if it is a loss means, what happens? 90% equal to 20,000. You need to find 100%.
Yes, ma'am.
So that you need to know cost prices of those two buffaloes. You calculate those two buffaloes cost prices as well as selling prices anyway, 20,000, 20,000. You need to compare those two prices, Nana. Which whether he is getting loss or profit. If cost price is less means selling price is more means you are getting profit. If cost price is greater, selling price is less means you are getting loss. But they didn't ask about any loss percent or profit percent. You just write whether it is loss or profit. That's all. Yes, yes. I hope it is cleared, Lalita Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And the other one is 13,000. The sale tax is 12%. 12% of 13,000 you need to find out, children. So that you can add to your amount 13,000 plus 12% of 13,000. So that is the amount you're supposed to pay for the TV.
14,560.
Right. In the 9th question, Arun bought a pair of skates where the discounts were 20%. If amount pays 1,600, find market price. So discount were given, children, before discount or after discount?
Discount
What
is
is
given after. Discount is given after the selling.
Selling price is given, Nana. So skates, they were selling price is 1,600. Discount is 20%. You need to find a market price. To find out market price, what you supposed to do, children?
We got a discount by mark.
Discount percent, we know that a discount is nothing but always calculated discount on
market price.
Market price minus the selling price divided
by 100 is equal to discount.
Market price into 100. So you don't know the market price here.
Yes,
you just take it as X or anything. You just take it and you have to simplify the equation you will get. Or else one simple technique also you can use. What is the technique? Can anyone please in the class? Discount
divided by.
Discount is given 20%. So that 80% equal to 1,600.
Yes.
You need to find 100%. Nana, this is one more simple technique. Discount is given 20% means 80% of article equal to 1,600.
Ma'am, so 80% of
100% you have to find it. Directly you just multiply with 100 divided.
X by 5.
Ma'am, so 80% of X is equal to 1,600.
Right. So 2,000, Nana. 200, right? 200. So 200 rupees is, what is the 200 rupees here?
Ma'am, here 200.
Sorry, 2,000, Nana. It's not
yes,
200.
2,000 is a mark price.
Yes, market price is 2,000. If
yes.
Same procedure step by step. Previous case you have to do. If it is coming in your competitive examination, directly by observing the question, discount is given 20%. So 80% of price is 1,600. You need to find 100%. So 80% equal to 1,600, 100% question mark. So just to do cross multiplication, children, 100 into 1,600 divide with 80. So that you will get 2,000 as your market price. MP equal to 2,000. That's all. Next question, 10th question. A purchased hair dryer 5,400 including 8% VAT. So find before VAT. Before VAT means you need to find out included 8% VAT means 108% equal to, you just take it as 108% equal to included VAT 8%, 108% equal to 5,400, Nana. You need to find before VAT means 100% you have to.
So 100%, ma'am.
Right, Lalit,
so,
right.
So you got to do 100 by 108 into 5,400.
That's all.
Which is
That's
5,000. 5,000.
Yes. 108 means 8 times 8, 100, 4 times, 5 times.
Ma'am, so for direct we can write 108% x is equal to 5,400.
Right, that's all. Directly you can. Last bit is an article is purchased.
Ma'am, the last bit, can you please write the question?
Yes, ma. Yes, right.
In my book, it is not.
Right. Article purchased means cost price, Nana. Cost price of an article is given as rupees 1239. 1239.
Ma'am, and GST percent is 18.
GST also included.
Yes, ma'am.
Including
So it's the same problem like before, ma'am.
The same thing like before, including GST, Nana.
Ma'am, 118% is equal to 1239. So 100%, how much and cross multiply?
Yes, including GST, 18%. Including GST, 18%. Find the price of an article before GST was added. Cost price of an article. Cost of an article before GST. Before GST added. So what you have to before GST means after adding GST, it is 118% equal to 118% equal to how much, Nana? 1239.
Yes, ma'am.
1239.
1,500, ma'am.
You need to correct, Nana. Correct. You need to find out. No. This is a little different, right? Including GST, it is 1239. You need to find after cost of an article before GST. Before GST means more less than this amount you will get, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually.
You are doing, Lalit, please check once again. So 118% equal to 1239. You need to find only 100%. Before GST means only 100% of an article. It's question mark. Please simplify this. You will get answer. That's all. This is exercise 8.2 completed, children. Next class we will go with 8.3. Any doubts in today's class? I didn't hear about Abhinav, Ayush. They didn't speak anything. Even Manideep also. Maybe they are preparing for a exam. I don't know. Divyesh, are you there?
Only 5 children are there in the class.
Okay, let me check, Nana. Maybe time is also over, right? They have supposed to go. Children, I won't take your much time. From morning onwards, you're continuously listening to your classes right now. I know that. So sorry, I took extra time for you. I took extra time of your 10 minutes time. The next class will meet and we'll go with the compound interest concept, Nana.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Compound interest is little tricky, but the calculation need to be do little faster. That's all. Not only formulas. There are 3 major formulas are there. I'll help you those formulas. Once you are thorough with that formulas, you can go with that also. Right, Lalit? Bye, Nitya.
Bye,
and Bhavya too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye,
Bye, Nana. Bye, Abhinav. Divyesh, are you there?
Bye.
Yes, bye, children. Bye. Have a nice day.